Hello everyone, this is Astha Bajaj this side from Bangalore Institute of Technology from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. So through this video I am going to explain on topic how to construct a deterministic finite state machine to accept a strings of A's and B's ending with A, B or BA. So before we move on further, we should know that what do we mean by deterministic finite state machine. So basically, deterministic finite state machines, as per the name signifies, is a machine that consists of finite number of states and those are deterministic as well. From deterministic here, we mean that they can be determined specifically by number of inputs we give to each state and the number of outputs, that is the transition that we get from each state on putting any input symbol. So basically, deterministic finite state machine refers to a set of states, and that composes a machine, and that is composed of finite number of states, which on being provided by a certain input give a transition to the further state. So here, as the question states, we have to construct a DFSM, that is a deterministic finite state machine, that consists of string of A's and B's that ends with AB or BA, right? So we should know that like a deterministic finite state machine is represented using set of five tuples, right? So those five tuples include set of states, set of input symbols, starting say symbol, and that is starting state, and the transition function. So moving on further, we should know that we must start with a state, right? Before beginning with anything, we should must start with some starting point, right? So here we are taking Q naught as the initial state of the machine to begin with the further procedure. So here, as you can see, we have taken Q naught as the starting state, right? And we have represented it in the JFlap software here. So after representing in the JFlap software it as an initial state, here this arrow indicates that this is the starting state. Arrow is the symbol for indicating the starting state, right? So the step 2 will be creating states Q1 and Q2 with transition AB to accept strings ending with AB. Q2 state is made the final state. So, as specified in the question, we need a machine that accepts a string of A's and B's ending with either AB or BA. So, starting with that, we are firstly taking the string that ends with AB, right? So, we just take two more states, Q1 and Q2, as we can see over here, that on transition from Q0 to Q1 through A, that is whenever we'll give an input A to Q0, it will get into a transition to Q1, and Q1 on being supplied the input B will move to state Q2, right? And if in between we supply any number of A's, it will like continue to remain in the same state Q1. Now this loop here signifies 0 or more number of ones, that is any number of A's, sorry, we can provide over here. Okay, so moving here, the diagram here, the state machine diagram here signifies that whenever we begin with Q0 as the starting state and we give A as input symbols, we get the state Q1. And as we need a string that ends with the substring AB, so here we can see that even if we are not providing this one A, that is over the loop, we'll have AB as the string, the last string, right? End string A and here B. So over here, we can have any number of A's and B's, right? Because our main motive here is to create a machine that ends with A and B's, AB or BA, right? So we can take in starting any number of A and B's, but the only restriction is our string should end with AB. So that is what we are specifying here, that our string is ended with A and here B. And even if any number of A's come over here, there will be no effect in the ending string. It will then also it will be AB, right? And here this double circles, they signify the accepting state, means that after being taken a transition from Q0 to Q1 and Q1 to Q2, as we have obtained the string AB at last, so Q2 will now be an accepting state. That means the string can be now accepted as it is now a valid string, because any string that ends with the accepting state, it is a valid string. So moving on further, we create Q3 and Q4 simultaneously for the string that is ending with BA, because remember we just mentioned in the question either with BA or AB. So for AB we have seen. Now for BA simultaneously we'll create the same machine on the right hand side. Here we took A, here we'll take B, here we took B, here we'll take A, and as we wanted to end with BA, so it would be B, then it would get into state Q3, and after coming to Q3 on giving input A, it will go come to Q4. And here we can supply any number of A's to get a ending string AB, but here we should supply any number of B's to get an ending string BA. And here same as like Q2, Q4 is the accepting state, because on coming to Q4 the machine will halt, because it is the accepting state and the string is valid after coming on Q4. And anytime the string halts on the accepting string, on the accepting state, it is a valid string. So going on further, we have to accept the string. We are just checking now for any random strings taken. So to accept string ABBA, that is ending with BA, we can see. So it should be accepted, right? B transition is given from Q2 to Q3. So B transition is given from Q2 to Q3, right? For example, if I told you that AB and BA are the ending string, are the ending pattern, but we should have AB and BA, any number of AB and BA, like in the initials, right? So here they are telling that, for example, we have taken a string ABBA. B transition is given by Q2 to Q3. Here, because this string means BA at the ending. So that is this one. So BA at the ending. But how will we get AB? A we are getting from here. But for B, we should get into this. A, B, and then we should come to this state from B and then A to get to an accepting state. Similarly, for a string BAAB, where AB is the ending string, that is this line, this part. So similarly, we should go to B, A, then, sorry, B, A, then B, A. Sorry. We should go from the string is BAAB, right? So it's like B and then A, then we have A again. So B, A, and then we have A. From A we are making transition here. B, A, and then further B. We are moving to a final state. So for these two strings, we have created a machine like this, in this way. So actually, even after constructing the machine properly, even if you think that the machine is constructed properly, for the given condition, we must take some random strings in order to check the string. So step 5 is, we would to accept strings AB, AB and BA, BA, B transition is given from Q4 to Q2 and a transition is given from Q2 to Q4. So after checking ABBA and BAAB, we have taken another string, that is ABAB and BABA. So over here we see that BABA or ABAB, that is an alternative number of A's and B's without being repeated consecutively. They have, if you take A, then B, then you again need A, right? So A, then you again need B, but there is no B. So what we do, we'll take as A, B, and we'll create these transitions in order to make that string successful and get accepted. A, B, then again A, then again B, in order to lead it to a accepting state. If it will keep on rotating on here, the string will also become possible and they'll keep on switching between the accepting states. That will make it easier for them to give a valid string. Similarly for BABA, B, A, and then moving on again from one accepting state to another, B, and then again A, we again conclude to a accepting state. So this is also valid string. These are also valid string, and A, B, B, and B, A, A, B that we discussed above, that is also an accepting state. Now testing the DFA with multiple inputs and verifying the results. So these above strings we took in order to make our transition machine proper and like it should be fulfilled with all the conditions in order to accept, in order to satisfy all the strings that are falling within the condition. So now testing it on further with the strings, these are the accepting string, that is with these strings it should halt with an accepting state, and with these strings it should halt with an rejecting states, or can be called as non-final states, or it should not halt only, right? So taking the string A, right? So we have A, then again A, B. It is accepting state. Then we have string B, 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 A. B, B, A. B, 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 A it is, right? So B, 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 because any number of B, and A. Accepting state. A, that is 4 A's. A. 3 A's over here only, but it is non-final state. So this is rejected. And here we can see it is rejected. Now A, B, A, B, A, B, B, A, then it comes B, B, then it comes again A, that is A, then it comes again B, B, then it comes again A, then it comes again B, B, then again A, here A, and then again A, wait, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, A, B, A, B, A, B, A, A, A. That is, it's actually running in a loop, so it is also rejected. So moving on further, we have the string A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B. So this A, B, then A, B, then A, B, it is accepted. Here it was rejected because after coming from A, B, A, B, A, B, it comes over here A again. This state, right? Now it got clear. There was some sort of confusion, sorry for that. So string AAB, we are just tracing it now. AAAB, we're starting with Q naught. A, 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 and B, accepting state, right? The first impulse symbol is A, state changes from Q naught to Q1, as I told you, Q naught to Q1. Then that is AAAB, it's showing that thing, transition over here in the JFlap software. Moving on further, we have the next two input symbols are A and hence it remains in the same state Q1. As I told you, it's any number of A's, right? So A. And then it has B at the end. So it will append over here and it will halt on an accepting state. That is a final state. So it is accepted. So that's it for now. The next input symbol changes from Q1 to final state Q2, hence the string is accepted. And rejection string, that is A, the machine starts with state Q0, A, 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 A and A. That is again that I have shown you. Symbol is A, which is stated from Q0 to Q1 on each transition of A. Then any number of A's, no matter 1000, 1 lakh also if you give, it will stay in the state Q1 only and it will be rejected because Q1 is not in final state. The next state remaining inputs A's and hence it remains in the state Q1 and it would be rejected. Right? So here it ends. As it's showing, it's rejected. And so this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Thank you.